So today I'm going to be talking to you about an awesome free app that I was introduced to called PunkPanda. And essentially what it's going to allow you to do is replace a lot of the popular apps you're probably using already, such as Zoom, WhatsApp, and Dropbox. And not only that, it's actually going to pay you to be a user of the app. So basically I'm just going to go over in this video, kind of what it is, what it does, and why you should grab it and start sharing it immediately. I am going to attach the official webinar from the founders in the description or comments of this video so you can take a look at that. This slideshow is actually in that video, so I'm not actually going to go over each of these slides. I'm just kind of using it as a reference. But basically, we'll start with, what is it? So right now at its core, it is a messaging app that has the security features to allow all your conversations to be completely private. You're not going to see any ads based on what you're talking about, and nobody outside of your conversation can see what you're talking about. So that's at the forefront. There are going to be other products that are going to be added to the PunkPanda line, but for right now, the one that's available is the text messaging app. So basically, you can see it starts right here saying, like, imagine if WhatsApp or Telegram actually paid you to use their service. It says how much they've been making, all while not giving any of the users a single penny from that. And so this app is actually going to allow you to be more secure than those, but it's also going to pay you to use the app because you're the one who is making it a success, so you should get a piece of that. So basically it goes on to say, about the messaging app security, how, as we get more of these apps and we go into crypto space, we're more concerned about security. And so this app addresses that issue by putting security on the forefront. And with the app, it's pretty simple. You don't have to really know anything super technical. You just download it and use it as regular. You already have been using things like WhatsApp, so anything that you've already been using like that, such as Zoom and WhatsApp, you already know basically how to use PunkPanda. So how do you get paid with PunkPanda? We go into we go into how the tokens are actually earned. So basically every 30 minutes you're going to get a percentage of the actual tokens that are being minted. So that's going to be done by using the app, sharing the app, and holding the tokens. And so before I go any further, I kind of want to show you what that looks like inside the app. So you see there at the top left, I got the PunkPanda app. And so here's my PunkPanda wallet where the earnings are placed. So basically you can see at the very bottom, I joined November 21st and I got a joining bonus of 0.7674 of the actual token. And so you can see here every 30 minutes like clockwork, I got more and more of the token, and this will continue for the next 15 years. Every 30 minutes I am earning. And I'm not doing anything. I'm not having to open the app. I don't have to click any buttons. It's just happening on its own. And at the top you can see my total that I have right now. And basically it's staked right now. So this is basically like a crypto savings account for this token. And for a reference, you have your bank account right now where you'll probably get maybe 0.45% on that savings. So if you have $1,000 in that saving account, at the end of the year you'll get about $4.50. With this, it's being staked and I'm getting whatever the value of the coin, which is going to go up as more and more people invest in the coin. And I don't have to actually put any money into it because it's a free app and I'm just getting it by using the app itself. So I'll go into the features really quickly. This is the person who told me about the app, Susan Christensen. So we're having a conversation here and I just let her know that I'm using this conversation for this video. And so basically one of the cool things about it is you can actually zap your conversations, which completely eliminates them from the conversation, or you could choose to hide it and it will make it kind of like a encrypted message. And then you can do all the traditional things like start up a chat group, start a new group, and then you can also invite people to use the app while inside the app. So let's get back to the actual slides. This kind of gives some information about the minting schedule, which is a little bit more technical than I wanted to have for this video. I just kind of want to give a brief overview. And then as I said, these are the features that are going to be added in the future. Right now we have the messaging app. Then soon they're going to release the file sharing system, which is going to be like your Dropbox. And then you have the Panda Meet video conferencing software, which is going to be like Zoom. And you're going to be able to get up to 25 people in that Zoom meeting completely for free. And like I said, for each of these different apps that are going to be coming out, you're going to be getting paid to use each of them. So you can see that list right there. This just kind of goes over the features of the app. Like I said, it's encrypted instant messaging. You're going to be able to do voice and video calls, which is something that's available right now. File transfers. And then I just went over the hide or zap your content. You can read the messages without the sender knowing, without them knowing. And the file size is actually much larger than a traditional text messaging app. You can send up to a 20-minute video. And so these are just kind of the examples or the features of what's going to be coming out. I'll let you watch the webinar to get that information. But then we have the roadmap here. Basically, we're in Q4 of 2021 right now, and you can kind of see where they plan to go with the app and the tokens as time goes on. So basically, you're going to get started with PunkPanda today. All you're going to do is basically get the referral link in the comments or the description of this video, sorry. And you're going to grab the app, and then basically once you get it, you're just going to set it up using your phone number, and you're going to start sharing it. And I'll show you where to find your referral code once you get it. This is me. I'm going to go back to my main menu. I'm going to hit the settings at the bottom right, and it's going to show your invite code. All you have to do is hit the copy on that, and it's going to copy it to your clipboard. And you can make a video, you can send it in messages, and then every time you share it, you're going to get more and more of these tokens. And like I said, this is available globally, so it doesn't matter what country you're in, you're going to be able to earn with this completely for free. You don't have to spend any money. There is an option for you to actually buy the token right now, but I'll go over that in a separate video. For now, just focus on the free version of it. Grab the app, share with everybody you know, and let's make this thing grow to be incredible and all earn while making our data more safe.